Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing how we design and manufacture electronics. AI is particularly impactful in the world of printed circuit boards, or PCBs. PCBs are the backbone of electronic devices. They are complex, and designing them can be time-consuming. AI is automating and enhancing many aspects of PCB design. This leads to faster design cycles, fewer errors, and better performing products. Imagine AI algorithms optimizing component placement. This leads to improved signal integrity and reduced electromagnetic interference. The integration of AI into PCB design is still in its early stages. However, the potential benefits are vast. AI-powered tools are already helping engineers to design and produce PCBs more efficiently and effectively. This trend will only accelerate in the coming years. Routing is a critical step in PCB design. It involves creating conductive pathways for signals to travel between components. Traditionally, routing has been a manual and time-consuming process. AI is changing that. AI-powered routing algorithms can analyze complex design rules and constraints. They can then automatically generate optimized routing paths. This significantly reduces design time and minimizes the risk of human error. With AI, engineers can explore multiple routing options quickly. They can choose the best solution based on factors like signal integrity, crosstalk, and electromagnetic compatibility. This results in higher quality PCBs that meet stringent performance requirements. Design optimization is crucial for creating PCBs that are cost-effective and high-performing. AI algorithms excel at analyzing vast datasets and identifying patterns. This makes them ideal for PCB design optimization. AI can be used to optimize various design parameters. This includes component placement, trace width, and layer stackup. By considering factors like signal integrity, power consumption, and thermal performance, AI algorithms can suggest optimal design choices. AI-powered optimization can lead to significant cost savings. This is achieved by minimizing material waste, reducing manufacturing complexity, and improving product reliability. Section 4: AI-powered manufacturing for superior